Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am making a chocolate cream cheese bar. And it sounds really good. It's only got a few ingredients. It's got a brownie mix, a cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, and an egg. And that's it. And I think it's going to be really good. And I hope everybody's doing great. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need an 18.3 ounce package of brownie mix, and you'll need the items it takes to make the brownies. You'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, a half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, and a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm spraying my 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Now you want to mix up your brownies just as the package says to do. Now that my brownies are mixed, I want to pour about 3/4 of the batter into the bottom of my dish and just spread it out. Now I want to take my softened cream cheese and kind of mix it, my egg, sugar, and vanilla together. And one of the best things about this recipe is you don't need a mixer. You can do everything by hand. But I must say that it would probably have been easier to mix this with a mixer. But I got her done. Now that your cream cheese mixture is smooth, you just want to drop it by the spoonfuls all over your batter. Now you want to take the rest of your brownie batter and just kind of spread it over the top as well as you can. And then you'll take a knife and you'll run it up and down and side to side through your brownies, making that marbled effect. Now the recipe says to bake for 35 to 40 minutes, but it only took about 30 minutes for my brownies to be done. All right, let's give this a try. It's very good. I mean, what could go wrong? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Bye, y'all.